Introducing LED light-up flashing RF concert bracelets. Please note, the RF bracelets will not function without the transmitter. The range of the transmitter is 900 feet and must be line of sight. Let's take a look at the back of the transmitter. Charging ports for AC plug included, and a micro USB not included. On-off switch. Please note that the bracelet itself must also be in the on position. A small red light will be shown when the power is on. To reset the controller with the bracelets, you must power off the controller and then turn back on. Bracelet batteries are replaceable. Please use 2 of CR1625 lithium batteries. Please do not mix old batteries with new batteries. And please dispose of batteries in an appropriate manner. Let's take a look at the top of the transmitter. There are 4 indicator lights showing current status of the transmitter. Power indicates that the unit is switched on. Working indicates if signal is being sent to the bracelets. Charging indicates if unit is plugged in and receiving a charge. Program indicates if transmitter is being linked to a pre-programmed routine. Let's take a look at the top row of buttons. Buttons perform differently depending on RF bracelets purchased. Multicolor versus single color bracelets. If multicolor bracelets are being used, these buttons will turn the units to a solid non-blinking single color mode only of red, green, or blue. If single color bracelets are being used, the top row of buttons will allow for a blinking mode of red, green, or blue. Now let's take a look at the second row. 3 separate buttons allow for solid on amber, aqua, or white. The button labeled flash will rotate red, blue, and green in slow flashing mode. And finally, the third row. The button labeled crossfade is a multicolor morphing rotation. The button labeled spark will rotate red, blue, and green in fast flashing mode. The button labeled auto will slowly rotate through all the colors of red, blue, green, pink, yellow, aqua, and white, then followed by a fast flashing mode of multicolors, and then finishes with a multicolor morphing rotation. The button labeled mixed is a random auto mode setting that alternates between solid on colors, flashing colors, and a multicolor morphing rotation mode. Please note, the RF bracelets will not function without the transmitter. When the RF bracelets go out of range of the transmitter, they will continue to operate in the last mode selected until the bracelet itself is powered off or the batteries expire. Range of transmitter is 900 feet and is line of sight.